Definitely happy to get on the podium at my first year at Grifter. It would have been even better if I had gone on gold, but still happy to get on the podium.
Back-to-back medals for Barbados in the middle distance, coming through strong after Layla. Talk to me about the feeling of seeing her win and then coming through to get a medal yourself.
It definitely motivated me because after seeing her win, I felt even more like, well, now I have to go on the podium. So, and I was also proud of her for getting on the podium. I was thinking that if I was in the top three, I was gonna try and push the pace because I know my kick isn't the best out there, but so I was gonna try and push the pace and open up the lead. But the Jamaican had already broken away, so I just decided to try my best at kick because I wasn't able to break away.